Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a monthly collaboration and it's called This Is My Thing, and that's hosted by Yetra Khreacioness. I'm going to be linking the hosts and all of the beautiful co-hostesses down below in the description box. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, click that like button because this helps us to grow on YouTube, and then comment below because we would love to hear from you. Now today I'm going to be decorating this thrifted item with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. So we're starting out with that Mod Podge, and we are going thick with it because we are going to be adding some crushed glass in a gold color that I purchased from Michael's. So what I normally do is I go in with one layer of the Mod Podge, one layer of the crushed glass, and then I allow that to dry fully. And then if you don't like the results of the first coat, then you want to go ahead, reapply the Mod Podge, and then go ahead and add a second coat of the crushed glass. So now if this is the first time visiting my channel, welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. Click that like button because this helps me to grow on YouTube. Also, make sure and comment below because I would love to hear from you. And for all you other faithful supporters and subscribers to the channel that keep returning, thank you so much. You don't know how much I appreciate you. It means the world to me. So what I'm starting to do now is after we allow that crushed glass to dry, I'm going in with the Mod Podge, but I am adding some glitter because we want that extra shine. So you can never have too much shine, guys. Okay, so that crushed glass there with the Mod Podge is not fully dry. I believe you can see it. But it is workable. So we're just going to go ahead and continue and embellishing this beautiful vase. I cannot wait for you to see the outcome. So now for video's sake, I did not mention each of the names of all of the hosts that are involved with this collab. So I am listing them in my description box, each and every one of them. They're beautiful. Make sure and head on over there and visit all of their channels, subscribe to their channels. Also, don't forget to visit the playlist because we have an awesome playlist. So I cannot wait to see you there. didn't think there was enough embellishments on this vase. So I decided to go ahead and around the neck of that vase, I had purchased from the thrift store also, at the same time I got the vase, these iridescent pearls. Absolutely gorgeous. So I decided to wrap them around the top, around the neck, and then also around the bottom of this vase, because we just cannot have too many embellishments. So now I do want to take a moment and thank the hosts and all of the co-hostesses, including myself, for this collaboration. You guys are beautiful and wonderful, very talented, and I cannot wait to do this again next month. So let's continue. Now what I decided to do is use those iridescent gems that I purchased from Walmart, and I place a couple on each side of that vase. So we are all done, and this is what that vase is looking like. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. I cannot wait to head on over to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.